It is quite simply not every day that you order clothing online and every single thing is a hit. And that's why we're doing a little haul today, because I just need to celebrate. First thing I got are these black pants. They're kind of a slouchy fit. They're from Bershka. They are definitely not my forever tailored black pants, but I just really needed some, so I was like, I'm just gonna get these. They look cute, they got good reviews. The one thing is they don't have any pockets, which kind of sucks because I like lounging with my hands in my pockets. They fit the length of my legs really well and are true to size. You know what I mean? Like, I'm a size 8 and sometimes I just swear to God those 8s are 6s. And so it's such relief when I find a brand where like the sizing is consistent. Outfits are gonna get elevated with these pants. You know, a lot of the time I'll be wearing my black jeans and it's just not the right look. Next up, because I was kind of like on my formal wear spree, I don't really have any white button-ups now. I had one a while ago, but it got dirty and it wasn't getting fixed. So I ordered 2 white button-ups with the intention of only keeping one of them, but I'm keeping both of them because obviously they're completely different. The first one I got is this cotton linen blend, which is similar to my like previous white button-up I had, and this is definitely just like a relaxed fit. I also got 2 different shirts because they were available in like 2 different sizes, and so I got this one in a small. I'll have everything linked below. I'm glad I didn't get this in a medium because it's a medium, because it like already fits oversized. I really like it. It feels really nice. I always make sure to check the material that I'm buying so I know what I'm getting, and with these I needed cotton. Like I cannot do a polyester button-up shirt. It's not happening. The second white button-up I got is more structured. It's got more of a square shoulder, definitely more of a masculine cut I'm a fan of, which is why I'm also keeping this one. It's also a little more formal just because it's not the linen blend. This is like pure cotton. You'll see each of them on. These pants, these were an impulse decision. Silver has been kind of in this winter and I just like these a lot. I got them in a size 30 and they're true to size. These are the first pants in a while I've gotten that are like, they fit my waist like snugly. Usually I get like an inch or two too big just so they're a little looser on me, but these are the first ones where like they fit my waist snugly, and they were out of stock in the size 32. I don't really know how I feel about that just because like I'm used to a little bit of a looser pant, and also like the models were both wearing like a size too big because these rest on me like high-waisted, but they were resting on the models more like mid-waist, which I do prefer. But they were out of stock in the bigger size and these fit me well, and it feels like I should maybe have one pair of pants that fit me. I'm really excited to wear these. Lastly, from ASOS, and I have one more thing to show you, is I got these little knit gloves. I've been thinking about them for like a week and a half when I placed the order for the black pants. So I was like, okay, I'm getting black pants, I'm getting these, and then all the other stuff happened, but I'm happy about it. These are just like fingerless type gloves like that. Got a scrunchie on, ignore that. And I'm obsessed with these. Cannot wait to wear these because they're also really warm. These are from the Ragged Priest. It's funny, I've seen this exact like yarn pattern, I guess, from a different brand. So it makes me think they have like the same suppliers or are part of the same like, you know, like clothing conglomerate or something. I like how they're just like a very like muted kind of like pop of color. They go with my nails right now. And then last but not least, I feel like I make short YouTube videos sometimes. I'm just gonna unbox this for you guys. I know what it is. It's from my job. This is a go bag mini from Baboons to the Moon. In case you didn't already know, which I haven't said on my YouTube channel or like most places, I make content for their TikTok page. Like I fully like go into their office in New York and like film with all the folks there. Like it's really great. I should actually like show you the fucking bag. Logo. There's also like a side zipper pocket here. This is the main pocket. Got a mesh pocket up here with a zipper and a patch, and then a zipper pocket on one side, and then like a little elastic pocket on the other side. When I bought my first bag from them, like literally I bought a bag from them before I was working for them, I had been thinking about buying one of these bags for a full calendar year, and eventually I was just like, you've been thinking about it for an entire year, just do it. And I have no regrets. These bags are actually really amazing. Yes, I see you watching and I appreciate it. I will see you in the next one.
But tonight, no, I should go before you.